Hi, my name is Marty, and I would like to give my review today on this magnet assembly block set. My son has been playing with this for quite some time this morning already, and it's a really cool set. You just assemble it. It has a screwdriver that you use and some screws that they need to assemble it, and just a whole bunch of other little pieces. It's a really great set. And you can also do different shapes or different combinations with the set. Here's all the combinations you can do. You disassemble the big one, and then you can make all kinds of small ones if you'd like. Yeah, definitely recommend it.